Hello everyone, I am Sakshi Dhanokar. Today we will discuss about the digestive system. So, the role of a digestive system in our body is the conversion of a complex food or insoluble food into simple form or soluble form. So, the main function of a digestive system is absorption of a food particle, nutrient and excrete the waste material through the body is called as a digestive system. Digestive system consists two major parts, or it is made up of two major parts. First one is a major organ that consists the digestive system, and second one is a accessory organ. So first major organ consists the as a digestive system include esophagus. First one is the mouth, second one is the esophagus, then stomach, small intestine, large intestine. And the accessory organ include the digestive system or present in the digestive system consists of pancreas, liver, gallbladder, spleen. So the step followed during the digestion of a food, there are the four steps are involved in the digestion of food. First one is a ingestion. Ingestion means administration of a food or formation of a bolus. It's called as a ingestion. Second one is a digestion. Digestion means breakdown of a food into or complex of food or insoluble food into simple form or soluble form. This is called as a digestion. Third one step is a absorption. That breakdown food or small particles of a food get absorbed into the body called as a absorption. Fourth one is a distribution. Distribution it is also called as a assimilation. In this step, that breakdown food or absorbed food contain the nutrients, protein, etc. These are distributed all over the body in the tissue, cells, or provide a nourishment or help to growth of the tissue or the cell. Last one step is a ejection. Ejection is excretion of that waste material after the distribution. These are the four steps are involved in the digestion of a food. Now we see the major organ of a digestive system. First part is a mouth. Mouth is a first part of a digestive system, or it is a entry point for the food. So the structure of mouth include teeth, salivary gland or saliva. So the teeth is useful for the churning of a food, cut the food or crush the food. Help salivary gland secretes the enzyme that is amylase, thymine that help for the breakdown of a carbohydrates. Second one function of a salivary gland is provide a moisture to the food or the formation of a bolus in the mouth. The main function of a mouth is the mechanical digestion of a food or increase the surface area for a faster mechanical digestion. The second part of a digestive system is a esophagus. Esophagus is a long tube connecting to the mouth to the stomach. It running through the thoracic cavity located behind the windpipe and have present in a thoracic cavity. It is length consists up to 25 centimeter. There is a structure present in a windpipe or in the trachea portion, that is the epiglottis. That epiglottis avoid the reabsorption of a food or entering the food in through the windpipe or moving the food to the esophagus while swallowing. In this portion, the food move through the esophagus in a peristaltic movement. So the function of a esophagus is to secrete the mucus. That mucus help to lubricate the food or support the movement of a food toward the stomach. Third one organ of the digestive system is the stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped muscular sac. Or at the starting point of the stomach, there is a esophageal sphincter are present. That esophageal sphincter prevent the stomach acid from break flowing into the esophagus portion. There is a folded structure present in a stomach called as a rush, or they increase the surface area for the stomach. So the function of a stomach is perform the mechanical digestion. They provide a certain enzyme like a pepsin, amylase, etc. that help to provide or breakdown of a food, or they provide the gastric juices including intrinsic factor, pepsins, vitamin D for the absorption of vitamin K. Last one is a mucus provided by the goblet cell, and that mucus help to prevent cell from damage of gastric acid. Stomach include acid secretion. That acid secretion is responsible for the killing of microbes that are found in the bolus. They maintain their pH is up to 2, and the mucus prevent the stomach from the digesting itself. Second one is a pepsin. Pepsin provide in the stomach that help to break down of a protein. Then third one is amylase. Amylase produce in the stomach that help for the breakdown of carbohydrates. At the end of the stomach, that is small intestine part start, there is a pyloric sphincter are present. That pyloric sphincter move the chyme from the stomach to the small intestine. So what is chyme? Chyme is a semi-solid liquid fluid present in the intestine after the partial digestion. Next part is a small intestine. Small intestine responsible for the complete digestion of all the micromolecules of a foods. So at the end of the absorption of their component molecule, example glucose, glycerol, fatty acid, amino acid, nucleotides, etc. are the completely absorbed in the side of a small intestine. So parts of a small intestine, there are the three parts of the small intestine. First one is a duodenum, second one is a jejunum, third one is a ileum. Duodenum is a part, there is a complete absorption or complete digestion of a food occur. It is a U-shaped organ and approximately 30 centimeter in a length of a duodenum. So area completely most of the digestion process occur in a duodenum portion. So the enzymes are secreted into the duodenum from the pancreas and the gallbladder. So duodenum is lined by fold of tissue called as a villi. There is a villi and the microvilli are present in a duodenum. Second part of a small intestine is a jejunum. Jejunum is approximately 2.5 meter long. Third part of a small intestine is a ileum, and there is a 3 meter long approximately. Or there is a villi or microvilli present in the ileum are the some amount or in a less amount. So the main function of this small intestine is the absorption of a small nutrients or a food or minerals from the food. Last one part of a digestive system consists the main part, that is a large intestine. Large intestine is composed of several very distinctive parts. That is, first is a cecum, second one is a colon, and the third one is a rectum. There are the four types of colon present in our digestive system. Consists the large intestine. First is a ascending colon, second one is a transverse colon, third one is a descending colon, and the fourth one is a sigmoid colon. So cecum is a pouch-like structure, consists of fluid or digestive fluid, and proceed toward the colon portion. Colon is a major large section of a large intestine. So the function of this colon is a water absorption, absorb the salt and electrolytes if needed. So the components of colon consist, there is a four components of a colon, that is ascending colons, descending colon, transverse colons, and the sigmoid colon. Last one part of a large intestine, that is a rectum. So it is a final section of a large intestine up to 1.2 to 1.6 inches of a length. So it is a leftover waste collect material from the stomach or expanding the rectum or empty through the anus. So the function of a large intestine is, first one is absorb the water, that is a reabsorption of water from food. Second one is absorb the vitamins, that is obtained from the food. Third one is electrolyte balance, and the produce antibodies in the part of large intestine. The second part of a digestive system, that is the accessory organ. Accessory organ support the digestive system, but they are not the part of a digestive system. These accessory organs include pancreas, liver, gallbladder, spleen, As we know, guys, liver is the largest gland of our body, so their mass is up to 1.5 kg. Liver produces a bile, so bile is a greenish yellow color pigment. Second one accessory organ of a digestive system is a gallbladder. That gallbladder is a sac-like portion that help to store the bile in our pouch. So the biles are present in a gallbladder or stored in a gallbladder that help to emulsify the fat we are get administered, and they emulsify the fat, so thereby accessing or absorption of a fat easily. Third one portion of accessory organ, that is a pancreas. Pancreas secrete a number of enzyme or different enzyme into the small intestine. The role against the digestion is digest the carbohydrate, lipids and protein completely. So bicarbonate, it also secrete the bicarbonates, iron. That's all about the accessory organ of a digestive system. Now we can see some diseases related to the gastrointestinal tract diseases. So first one is a Crohn's disease. Crohn's disease is a chronic inflammation occur. There is a pain. It is not controllable in this condition. So second one is a dysentery. Dysentery is a condition. It is a loss of fluid in the form of waste material in the body, or in this condition there is a inflammation of the intestine due to bacteria. Second one is a GERD. GERD is a gastrointestinal reflux disease. It is a condition in which there is a reback of hydrochloric acid or food into the esophagus portion. So that's all about the digestive system. Thank you.